Hi, my name is Asa Chapman. I am a kindergarten teacher here at Hillcrest Elementary. This is my second year teaching here. I will be teaching all content areas. I am so looking forward to seeing you guys virtually on September the 8th. I am more excited to see you guys face to face. Let's have a great year and let's knock out this virtual learning.
Hi, my name is Cindy Kilgore. I've been in education for 27 years. I will be working in kindergarten this year with your children with Miss Asia Chapman. I am looking forward to a great school year.
Hey, I'm Miss Hall. This is my third year teaching kindergarten at Hillcrest. I'll be teaching your child ELA and math, and I look forward to a fun and exciting year.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Wiggins. I'm the paraeducator that will be working with Miss Hall. I have 5 years as a paraeducator with Dublin City Schools, and I'm truly looking forward to a great learning experience this school term.
Hey, I'm Miss Mullis. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Hillcrest. This will be my 20th year teaching kindergarten in the Dublin City Schools. In kindergarten, we spend time working on a little bit of everything, but our biggest focus is on reading and math. I'm super excited this year to begin. We're going to do things a little bit different this year, but it'll be a lot of fun and we're going to grow together. And I'm very excited as always to see how much your children will grow and learn this year. We're going to have a great year together. I can't wait.
Hi, my name is Latoya Hayes, and I will be the kindergarten para this year. I am very excited. Within my span of teaching, this is be my first year actually with kindergarten. I have done 7 years with pre-K, and last year at Hillcrest Elementary, I was in with 4th grade. So I'm really excited, and I'm really looking forward to being in the kindergarten atmosphere and meeting your child. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Miss Lovett. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Hillcrest Elementary School, and I'm super excited to be working with each and every one of you, and we're going to have an amazing school year.
Hi everybody, my name is Miss Hampton. I have been in education for about 4 years. This is my 3rd year here at Hillcrest Elementary. This year I'll be Miss Lovett's para, and I'm excited. I'm excited to meet all of our students and work with the families. I know this is not how we traditionally go back to school, but I feel like with teamwork, it'll make our dream work. We'll get through a lot together as long as we work together. So I'm excited to see what this year holds for us all, and I hope you guys are too. Bye.
Welcome back to school. My name is Tina Meeks. I am beginning my 28th year of teaching. I will be teaching language arts and math for kindergarten, 1st and 2nd. And I am most looking forward to getting back to school and hopefully eventually being back into the building with the faculty and staff and students. Let's have a great year.
Hi everybody, I'm Leanne Lawrence, and I'm excited to teach our leap rotation class again this year. This is my 18th year of teaching. Starting the year virtual is going to make the leap rotation look a little different this year. We won't be working in the garden together, but we will be learning to be amazing leaders and musicians. I'm also excited to share some exciting news about my family. We are expecting a baby boy in September. While I'm on maternity leave, my leap rotation classes will be interacting online with lessons that I've been planning this summer. I look forward to dropping in on Google Classroom to see all of my students.
My name is Coach Brown. This will be my 2nd year teaching and my 2nd year at Hillcrest. I'll be teaching physical education, and I'm very excited about this upcoming school year.
Hey guys, this is Mr. Crawford, the STEM Lab rotation teacher. For those that are not familiar with STEM, STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. I hope you've had a great summer and look forward to seeing you soon.